Hey guys, welcome to Relentless, and today I'm going to be doing a slime review of all my slimes that I've had some of these slimes for so long, and I haven't unboxed them before I film this video, so I don't know how they're going to turn out like. So yeah, let's get started. So first, let's start with the Stone Trooper slime. So this, you have to put the pieces in and roll the little putty into a ball, and then after time he'll melt. I'm gonna put him right here so you guys can see him melt. Oh, look at that putty. Oh, here's the Stone Trooper pieces. Okay, let me get this putty out. I'm gonna mix it like this. Just gonna put him right there. Awesome. And over time he'll melt. I'm just gonna put the gun right inside the container. Well, I'm gonna get it. Okay guys, yep, that's the first putty. I'm not really gonna play with it because soon he's gonna melt into as flat as a pancake. Probably at the end of the video. So this Stone Trooper is done. If you were where I got this slime, I did not make it. I did not customize it. I did nothing. It was out of a, oh no. It was out of a, what is it called? Oh yeah, a fidget like squishy ball. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, this one's gone. Yeah, this one's gone. Oh no. I don't know what's happened to this one over time. Oh my gosh. Oh my, what am I meant to do with this? Thanks. Oh my gosh. I don't know what has happened to that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not good. The first slime we're going, the second one, this video is not going too well. This is really cool. It's thinking putty, and it's lime green. And the coolest thing it says it won't dry out. When you roll into a ball and you like hit on the ground like a normal ball, it will bounce. Yeah, this is dope. So let's open it. Oh my. Look at that bubble. It's like rubber. I don't remember it being like this. Oh. Wow. I'm gonna rate so I would say this is kind of like putty. When you warm it up, it'll kind of go into a more consistency. So I'm going to rate this, since it has all these cool theories, I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 10 for this thinking putty. Bowling, baby. Because loads of my slimes are over here and I just knocked them over. Yeah, this is really good slime. Or should I say putty slime. Okay, next slime. Get this on. There we go. Now, let's go to the next slime. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more slimes to go. I know, guys. If you don't know who this is, you're in luck. Oh my god, he's like almost a pancake. His name is called Ryan's Toy Review. He also goes by Ryan. My mom thinks he's spoiled because he has his own toys out. Yeah, but let's get started. Okay, it's starting to get open. Oh my gosh. Why is this so hard? Oh my. Why does it, oh. It's so chunky. I'm gonna make a smiley face. Yeah. Let's get this out. Oh my gosh. This is like putty slime. Why is it like that? Oh. Ooh. That's actually really good looking. And it feels so good. Like, I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. I know that sounds pretty crazy. I watch YouTube, so I'm subscribed to him, so I'm giving that an extra point. So, and I love that he's selling his own toys. Like, he has own custom toys. That is dope. Okay. 6 more to go. Ooh. Yeah, I got this one a couple of days ago. I got booed because it's near Halloween, and I got booed like a couple of days ago from my friend Ethan. He's been in some of my recent videos. Inside of the bucket was this flarf. I've got some other flarf over here, some blue. I've had it for a long time, so I don't know what it's going to feel like. The best part about flarf, you know why it's called flarf? Oh my gosh, it farts. I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 10. I know it farts, but it's a little bit watery sometimes. So that's what makes it a 4. What's going wrong with this? What's wrong with? Oh no. Oh no! Why is this always going wrong? It's like a blue bugger. Yeah, something's wrong with that. Yep, this one's gone. Blue flarf. I've had this one for, I would say, a couple of years now, honestly. Next thingy. I'm going to rate that as 1 out of 10 because it's just gone wrong. I have a couple of these. These are like the jiggly slimes, but they're scented. This one's green apple and this one's grape. Oh. Oh. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. Even though it's one of those jiggly slimes, it's still really good. This one doesn't smell too good, the green apple. That's gonna make it down to 8 out of 10. Oh, this one's a little bit more gooey. 7 out of 10 for this one. Yeah, this one's got a little bit more gooey. Oh no! Slime's all over the place. Why is it all over me? Okay, there we go. That one, this one's got a little bit more gooey. So yeah, that's down a point. And it looks like a bugger, doesn't it? Because it's green apple. Okay, look at these bad boys. So I've had these ones for quite a long time. Oh my gosh. It's almost as flat as a pancake. I've had these ones for a really long time. They're off the same brand. And if you wonder why I these some beads in here, it's because it was just plain, and then I added some more into there, which is dope. So I put some of those beads in there. Oh, whoa! This feels. That's 10 out of 10. I totally forgot that I had all of this slime, guys. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's really nice. I hope it's like this one. 10 out of 10. I would recommend this. Oh, look at all those beads. Yeah, these are 10 out of 10, these big ones. Yeah, I would recommend these because I have these ones for like 3 or 4 years, like literally. And yeah, I would recommend these because it hasn't even gone off for 3 or 2 or 4 years. Yeah, I would recommend this. Look, it's stuck to the roof. Look at that. Oh my. Look at how flat this guy is. Yep, I'm done with all the slime. But look. Look at how flat he is. He's almost, oh no. Oh. Now that is weird. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, if you did, smash that like button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.